better built here behind me. I've got the 2015 Hellcat Sublime Green. We are putting the Dixie horns in it. If you don't know what the Dixie horns are, you should probably watch the Dukes of Hazzard. If you don't want to watch the Dukes of Hazzard, I just wait till the end of this video. We'll play them. That's the upgrade we're doing to this thing today. That's what the customer wants. Right now I got to figure out where to put all these horns. It's kind of challenging as there's a lot of stuff under here. Shouldn't be too bad, just got to mount them somehow. Stay tuned. So basically we got 5 horns. We got 2 highs, 2 mediums, and 1 low. And I gotta figure out how to put all those along with the pump and wiring and a switch. So right now I'm trying to figure out the best spot to put all these horns so they're not in the way and they all point in the right direction to make the noise not sound just like distributed in weird directions. Oh man, they're all different lengths. Pump there, horn there. This little cocksucker. Look at that, clears perfectly. All right, guys, drilling my first hole in a Hellcat. I'm gonna mark it out first, then I'm gonna drill it.
Bruh. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. If you don't know, now you know. We're almost done here. Try to do it.
That's what I was trying to do.
You got 2 tools in the inside of this front bumper. Oh my, oh you got it, nice.
You give one to get one.
Dude, can you hurry up? Or we're gonna have to go source another bolt.
I see, I actually got it this time. Okay.
So what's the red key for?
I'm pretty sure it's a 600 horsepower key because there's 2 keys. There's a valet key and then the one that you just don't give your kids.
Yeah.
And he gave me that one.
What is this angle right now? This guy's going all in. Legs crossed.
What's up, guys?
What's that?
Check this out.
What? All done?
I think that's a parking brake, right? But right there, that's a button. Ain't that the most redneck Ramona shit I've ever seen?
Yeah, I'm all about being a redneck. We'll find one. Good job. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah.
Now, if you like our work, you have to do a burnout and honk the horn.
Really?
All right, guys, that's one for the books. Generally horn in the Hellcat. He's stoked.